Dear customer, here's the new automated rollover screen system brought up by Pooja Greenhouse Industries Private Limited. In this system, we have used rope mechanism. This mechanism consists of major parts like shaft that is connected to motor and gearbox. The wire rope is wounded to the shaft for operating the closing and opening of the screen system. We can operate this system by three ways. Firstly, we can operate it with wired remote connected to the motor. Secondly, it can be operated manually when there is no electricity available. And most important advantage of the motor is it can be operated by wireless remote ranging 50 meter away from the motor. These curtains play an important role in conserving energy and managing greenhouse climates. There are three types of screening: thermal screening, shading, and blackout screening. In thermal screening, it allows you to conserve heat collected during the day as well as the infrared radiation absorbed by the floor, which is released at heat throughout the night. It has advantages like climate control, it reduces temperature during day, protection from direct sunlight, and control of airflow, protection against cold, and the next is illuminate darkening screen. It diffuses light transmission up to 0.1%. In darkening screen, 25 to 40% of water is saved used for crop irrigation and also significant reduction in use of pesticides.
Pooja Greenhouse is serving the customer needs and solutions for developing the greenhouse industry since 2004. We are committing to provide you with the best results and quality work. Pooja Greenhouse is soon developing another system in automation technology. This system will be more convenient to operate and will require least amount of time for installation. The main advantage of this system is it is low maintenance as compared to wire rope system. Pooja Greenhouse is now stepping into new era of automation field and will be serving the solutions for the customer needs. For more information, please contact Mr. Ganesh Falle, CMD Pooja Greenhouse Industries Private Limited. Thank you.